We just had our artificial grass laid by Canine Turf. The reason we decided to go for artificial grass was because the grass that we had originally was difficult to maintain and difficult to keep on top of. We've got a dog, but we also have ducks and chickens, so it was difficult to keep the grass looking good all year round. We decided to go for artificial grass. We did a lot of research. We learned that whilst there was a lot of artificial grasses that said that they were good for pets, they were actually a latex-backed product, which can kind of fail over time if you've got any pets. We came across Canine Turf, specifically designed for dogs, and we really liked the fact that it was eco-friendly and also had a 15-year guarantee.